It smells so good. Hi everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. So for today's video, I wanted to share with you one of my all-time favorite winter essentials, and it is my do-it-yourself whipped body butter, and it looks like this. This smells amazing. It smells exactly like chocolate because there's a lot of cocoa butter in here. It smells heavenly. So this combination of shea butter, cocoa butter, almond oil, and coconut oil is the most amazing hydrating combination that I have ever used on my body. It makes my skin feel so soft and hydrated. My boyfriend was actually using some the other day on his elbows, and he was honestly so shocked at how effective it was. It completely got rid of all his dry skin. So normally people would make whipped body butters with a hand mixer or a immersion blender, but for this recipe, I'm going to show you how to do it without any of those. So all you'll need for this recipe is a bowl, a pot, and a whisk. This combination is a winter staple for me. You have to try it out. It's so simple and easy and inexpensive. You'll never buy an expensive lotion ever again. This is also a really amazing gift idea. I was thinking that I'm probably going to give these to a couple of my family and friends next Christmas. It's definitely something that I would love to receive. So in case you're new here, my name's Cassandra and I make videos focused on natural lifestyle and clean beauty. So if you're interested, hit the subscribe button and be sure to turn on the notification bell so you're updated with all my latest videos. You can also check me out on Instagram at rngdbeauty. So let's get into the recipe.
Sunday morning, waking up with you. We got no plans, we got nothing to do. You tell me you love me, I go start the coffee. Sunday morning, easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets. Holding you, holding me, easy love. Wednesday night just hanging out, us two. Just got home and you turn on some blues. Then tell me you're hungry, I go order Chinese. Wednesday night it's easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets. Holding you, holding me, easy love. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets. Holding you, holding me, easy love. Like a drive in the sun, windows down, music on. We've got nothing but time. Feel the breeze in my head, baby, we be cruising. Oh, na na na, na na na, na na na, na na na. Sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My my north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love we just can't deny it. Yeah, no other way.
So that wraps up this video. I hope you try out this recipe for yourself. I promise you will not be disappointed. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any suggestions of something that I should add to this body butter or a different body butter recipe that you think I should try, leave it in the comments down below because I would love to hear your suggestions. And I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.
Whole day